Hi, I'm Marco Cercone. I'm a partner here at Rupp Pfalzgraf. I've been here for over 21 years, practicing in the areas of first-party insurance coverage, subrogation, and antitrust. All litigation involving court appearances, trials, and business disputes with insurance companies and private business owners. So back in 2003, when I started at the firm, we were much smaller. I think we were 5 or 6 lawyers at the time. I was the second or third associate when I was hired, and we were a close-knit, very family-oriented law firm. We were just different. We took care of our employees. We really watched out for each other, and we've kept that culture and that way of doing business together, and have grown our firm to a firm of over 70 lawyers and one of the top 5 law firms in Buffalo, while staying true to those principles of being family oriented and having a great culture. Well, all of the work I do I find rewarding. I think the best way to describe it is I'm a problem solver. People come to me with problems, and I try to find a way to fix those problems for them. And there's no greater reward than finishing a trial for somebody when you have a bona fide dispute and winning it for your client and resolving that dispute to their satisfaction. Okay, I don't necessarily know that this is surprising to everyone, but I speak Italian. My parents are immigrants from Italy. And they taught us a lot about hard work and faith to your family, and those principles have kind of guided me into being the person and the attorney that I am. And you probably have to be in a coma not to know that I'm a Bills fan, and I'm a crazy Bills fan. My best legal tip is this. A lot of times people will come to me and say, I've got this problem. And when I look at their problems, a lot of times it's rooted in the fact that they waited too long to consult with an expert, like an attorney, to address the situation that was going on. They've made things worse by not relying on the experts in that particular field. So I would encourage folks to do 2 things initially. Number 1, make sure you read whatever it is that you're signing, because under New York law, you're presumed to know the contents of a contract, whether you've read it or not. And number 2, if you don't understand what you're reading, you really should reach out to a professional and talk to them and get their advice so that you don't walk yourself into a situation that you might regret later.